Whenever you try to change your screen resolution, it just doesn't match. And pop-up screen says that input signal out of range, change settings to exact screen resolution. So how to fix it? If you have Intel graphic driver or NVIDIA graphic driver, it helps. Updating your driver, go to your NVIDIA graphic section, screen resolution, then change the resolution. First of all, whenever you try, you have to understand screen resolution policy. Don't try just randomly if you will stuck screen with the message signal is out of range. If your screen originally resoluted by 1366 by 768, then you have to make custom screen resolution. The default screen resolution you have to keep the last two resolution your default screen resolution. Mine is 1366 768. I have to keep 68 by its default, and then I have to change in the resolution section, click on the customize and then create custom resolution. I already have created some custom resolution, then just click on the create custom resolution. Horizontal pixels, you can put any number, make resolution that you're able to see writing, and 1K, 2K, even it's 4K, it doesn't matter. Then the vertical one, you have to caution with the last two number, keep the last two number as it is. Then the first two number you can change any, because if you change the last two number, then your screen resolution, it will not take this resolution as its own. And then just click on test. Here you can see I created some resolution, custom resolution. I keep the last vertical two number is as it is